In our masjid, we have been using this namaz timetable for a long time. In 2002, a revolutionary product came and changed everything. Abdullah's salah time indicator. It was an automated system which made our job easy. Within a few years, thousands of units were installed all over India and abroad. Alhamdulillah. Abdullah's became an Indian electronic company which exports salah time indicator to England, America, Canada, Japan, South Africa, France, New Zealand, Australia, Saudi Arabia and many more. Abdullah's motto is, "Let's make our masjids high-tech." After a lot of research, in 2021, Abdullah's introduced all-new salah time indicator. Besides stunning look, it got some excellent new features. Time accuracy. Mobile app-based Wi-Fi remote, which makes it faster and easier as compared to old IR remote. Now you don't need to adjust time and date like the previous model. The app automatically synchronizes your unit with your mobile. This piece of art becomes more beautiful when you get the display color as per your choice. Yes, now you can change the color of the display as you like. Apart from the bigger and colorful displays, you also get many new features like Eid Namaz time, minutes remaining for each Jamaat, Masjid name in scroll, Ayat of the day, Hadith of the day, other messages, etc. More than 20 models available. The range starts from Rs 5,000 and goes all the way till Rs 2 lakh. As usual, these units are backed up by Abdullah's lifetime free service. So, what do you say? Isn't this the time for an upgrade? Donate one unit to your nearest masjid. Now you can get Abdullah's all-new salah time indicator at attractive prices. For more details, call us at 9757 121 747 or email us at askme@abdullahs.one.